Mirrorless cameras provide convenience, portability, and improved performance in a smaller package compared to DSLRs. These advantages have made mirrorless cameras increasingly popular among photographers and have driven major camera manufacturers to invest in and expand their mirrorless camera lineups. In today's video, we're going to suggest you 5 best mirrorless cameras that you can buy in 2023. We've made another part of this. Be sure to check out that after this video. First, we have the Canon EOS R8, an advanced mirrorless camera that offers impressive features. It includes a full-frame 24.2 megapixel CMOS sensor and a powerful Digic X processor. This combination creates a versatile camera suitable for both photography and videography. One notable aspect is its exceptional video capabilities, such as capturing 4K video at 60 FPS in 10-bit quality. Additionally, it can generate oversampled 4K video from 6K footage, resulting in superb image detail. For more extended projects, the EOS R8 supports 4x2x2 10-bit recording at 30 FPS. To ensure you never miss a moment, the camera is designed to be quick and responsive, offering a continuous shooting speed of up to 40 FPS. Its dual-pixel CMOS autofocus 2 system enables rapid and precise autofocus, utilizing an impressive 1,053 autofocus points that cover the entire sensor. Moreover, the EOS R8 includes professional-grade results like HDR-PQ and Canon Log 3, enhancing the potential for capturing high-quality results. Next, the Panasonic Lumix GH6 is a video-centric hybrid camera that prioritizes high-resolution 4K capabilities. It boasts impressive features like pristine 4K 120 FPS recording without any loss in quality, internal 5.7K ProRes support, unlimited recording with active cooling, and professional-grade assistive tools. Additionally, it offers full V-Log and anamorphic support. The camera stands out for its excellent built-in stabilization and unique screen mechanism. Exciting firmware updates on the horizon promise even more capabilities, such as 4K 120 FPS raw output over HDMI, and the ability to record to external SSDs via USB-C. However, the GH6's contrast-based autofocus system may not be optimal for smaller or single-operator setups, and some users may prefer the potentially lower noise of a large sensor. Overall, the GH6 is a highly coveted camera for demanding videographers, delivering an unmatched feature set at its price point, rivaling more expensive options. Nevertheless, it's crucial to consider which features are essential for your needs and determine if the downsides can be mitigated or accepted. In summary, it currently stands as one of the top hybrid cameras available. Now, the Fujifilm X-H2 introduces an unprecedented level of resolution for an APS-C camera, featuring a remarkable 40-megapixel sensor that surpasses the majority of full-frame counterparts. Notably, it has the ability to capture 8K video, a feat previously limited to full-frame cameras and only achieved by a select few. Remarkably, the X-H2 is offered at a considerably lower price compared to full-frame models with similar capabilities. Typically, high-resolution sensors tend to sacrifice speed, but the X-H2 sensor maintains a respectable level of performance despite having a slower readout speed compared to the X-H2S, which employs a different stacked design. With a maximum burst speed of 15 FPS using the mechanical shutter, the X-H2 stands on par with many sports cameras in terms of speed. Fujifilm also addresses the occurrence of the rolling shutter effect. As expected, the Fujifilm X-H2 delivers exceptional image quality, living up to its high-resolution potential. It truly establishes a new standard for APS-C cameras, solidifying its place on our list. The ZV-E1 camera stands out with its 12-megapixel sensor, similar to the ones found in the A7S III and FX3 cameras. However, it actually utilizes a 48-megapixel sensor that has been down to produce 12-megapixel images. This advanced sensor quality makes the ZV-E1 an exceptional option for professional vloggers, offering the ability to capture UHD 4K video at up to 60 FPS without any cropping. Notably, the ZV-E1 is the first in the ZV series to incorporate a full-frame sensor, setting it apart from other cameras in its lineup. Although it lacks the capability to shoot 4K at 120 FPS like the A7S III, Sony has announced plans to enable this feature through a future firmware update. While the compact size of the ZV-E1 may lead to thermal throttling, it remains an impressive choice for vloggers seeking a high-quality camera. And last but not least, the Nikon Z9 is an impressive mirrorless camera renowned for its outstanding performance, particularly well suited for astrophotography and landscape photography, although it may offer more capabilities than necessary for some users. The camera's body is both stylish and durable, merging the desirable features of modern mirrorless technology with the reliability and solid construction of traditional DSLRs. Compared to the D6, the Z9 is not only smaller and lighter, but also boasts a more advanced autofocus system, faster burst mode, and the ability to capture 8K video. Additionally, it comes at a lower price point compared to other top-tier mirrorless cameras, like Sony's Alpha 1. The camera features a 3.2-inch touchscreen monitor that can be tilted both vertically and horizontally, with adjustments possible on 4 different axes. The screen also offers a wide viewing angle of 170 degrees. The Nikon Z9 incorporates a 45.7-megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor and is powered by Nikon's X-Speed 7 processor. This combination, combined with a native ISO range of 64 to 25,600 and an advanced noise reduction algorithm, enables the camera to excel in various lighting conditions while minimizing noise. In our opinion, it is an absolute powerhouse in terms of capability and performance. So this was our list of the 5 best mirrorless cameras in 2023 that you can buy. What do you think? Did we miss any? Share your thoughts in the comments section below.